And Congress just keeps getting bigger and better.
To your attention because it's different from the way it was handled in Australia. What are we talking about? The right to be forgotten is going to pop up in different ways in different countries. Just because you have a right to be forgotten, it doesn't mean that every single country is going to handle it the same way. So that's something you might want to look into. You need to explain to your board and to your management why this is important. And you got to be ready, you got to be prepared, you got to say these are the territories, these are the jurisdictions, here's the criminal liability. So does motive matter? Does the fact that there was no material harm matter? It depends what country you're in. There are concerns with regards to searches, the strip searches, digital strip searches, and this is going to increase for corporate travelers. You need to hold on to your data for a year so that we can take a look at this. I thought, now this is interesting because this directly conflicts with what the rest of the EU is doing, right? But there's a bigger issue here. The issue is this was done on a case-by-case basis. It's an issue for all of us. We did not get where we are today thinking that someday we would have to face the issue of noncompliance. There are some companies out there right now that are basically budgeting for ransoms. What makes you think they won't come back again? Think about what you're doing because this does have a repercussion on the rest of the world.
Squared is there. All around the world right now, people are more secure and better able to enjoy their lives because Squared is there, because you are there.
Now my challenge. You've got your phone in one hand. I want you to take your other hand. I want to take your finger. I want you to put it on the power button. And I want you to turn off the phone. I heard a no.
But sometimes it does pay to take a risk, to take ownership and take action on an idea.
Thanks again for joining us. And remember, Squared is there.